Asteroids could be broken down and fed to microorganisms to produce biomass, which could then be used as food during space travel. Ensuring an adequate food supply during deep space travel is a major challenge. Growing food is difficult and requires many resources. Meanwhile, relying solely on prepackaged food supplies would be risky for long-duration missions. In new research published in the International Journal of Astrobiology on October 3rd, a team of scientists at Western University in Canada proposed that astronauts could use a unique source of nutrition: asteroids. Asteroids are small, rocky bodies that orbit the sun. They are often referred to as space rocks. Most asteroids are found in the asteroid belt between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter, but some can be found in other parts of the solar system. Of course, astronauts won't actually be eating rocks. The idea is to use a combination of chemical and physical processes to break down asteroids, then feed the resulting material to beneficial microorganisms. These microorganisms would convert the asteroid into biomass, which could, in theory, sustain astronauts. This idea was inspired by a U.S. Department of Defense investigation into how to recycle military meal ready-to-eat (MRE) plastic containers and turn them into food. First, the plastic was broken down into gas and oil through a process called pyrolysis. The oil was then fed to microorganisms in a bioreactor, resulting in nutrient-rich biomass. Simply put, researchers are looking to recycle carbon into something food-like. And the same could be applied to carbon-rich asteroids like Bennu in space. Synthetic biology is a field of science that aims to design and engineer biological systems for specific purposes. One of the ambitious goals of synthetic biology is to convert carbon dioxide into food. If we feed fresh, pristine meteorites to microorganisms, what would happen? Asked Annemiek Wagen, a postdoctoral researcher at Vrije University Amsterdam. According to Wagen's research in Astrobiology and Scientific Reports, microorganisms would consume the carbon from the meteorites and grow. Wagen suggested that meteorites may have also helped make early Earth habitable and influenced the early evolution of life. There were plenty of meteorites around ancient single-celled organisms. A lot of meteoritic material fell onto Earth's surface around the time life was starting. Wagen said, however, before astronauts can eat asteroids, there is still much work to be done. For example, scientists don't yet know if the resulting biomass would be toxic. Not to mention that asteroid mining is itself a challenging process. Wagen admits that the solution of eating asteroids is still a long way from becoming a reality. However, the research team is excited to test the new idea. I've promised to be the first to taste it. If I'm still alive, we can continue with the graduate students, said Joshua Pierce, a professor of engineering at Western University and co-author of the new study. Thanks for watching.